every- Hello everybody. My name is Aziz Marbun and I'm staying in Indonesia and in the place in Tangerang and I'm working at one of a company in Usaha Mandiri. I'm single and I'm 24 years old and I have one motorcycle and I'm enjoying my life. Thank you.